Hi everyone, this is Elham from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. And today Svetlana is going to show you how to make not one but 5 different products. So the base is this beautiful transparent oleo gel or gel to milk cleanser. It is transparent because we took care of the oil polarity and combined the oil so that the polarity of the oils matches and it becomes transparent. And then from this one, we are moving on to 4 different exfoliants and scrubs. This one is with our cranberry exfoliant. This one is with coffee powder or coffee from the coffee machine. This one is from the Brazil nut exfoliant, and this one is with our volcanic sand exfoliant. Depending on which of these exfoliants you have at hand, coffee is always available, but the other ones, if you have them in your stash, can you start making them right now, or you can order them, or you can combine them however you want. As always, all of the formulations are available on the blog, and you can download the printable formulation for all of them from our blog. You make all of them or a couple of them, let us know which one could be your favorite and which one you like the most.